At different points in time in history, we've used different things for money. We've used stones, we've used shells. It means something because we've all decided it means something. Then why not do that with ones and zeros? The crypto comes from cryptography.
A cryptocurrency is a digital currency that resides entirely on a network. It uses algorithms to generate the currency itself, as well as verify all the transactions on that network.
Digital payments, digital transfers, without any institutions in the middle.